How to rematch on Bumble. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I will show you how you can rematch on Bumble, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I'm going to go ahead and open the Bumble app, and then I'm going to come to my DMs page. I basically have this one person over here. So in this case, that person liked me first and then I liked them secondly, so we've matched, and it is up to them to make the first move, right? They have 24 hours until they can go ahead and send me a conversation. But if I happen to unmatch them, or maybe if they lost that count and that person wants to rematch, then it is actually up to them to rematch with you. So if it's the other person's turn, it is only up to them that whether or not they want to rematch with you. But if it is actually your turn, then it is up to you to be able to go ahead and rematch with them. For example, in your turn, what happens is that you swipe first and then they swipe back, then it's your turn to make a first move, and then if it expires, then you can go ahead and rematch them. But if it's the other person's turn, you will not be able to rematch. If it's your turn, the other person will not be able to rematch. And in order to rematch, you can just tap on their profile right over here, and then you can tap on the three dots from the top right, and then here you'll find unmatch or rematch, whatever else you want to do. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then rematch on Bumble. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.